bibia akwaba de ba Pinax TV so na sabre de Ghana ye de papa ni na ene say ye honorable Kennedy Agyapong e na afin so Kweku Baako case a court we bu aten na wie so ene ade ba chibia na nse foforo ba na ne de asama abane say honorable Kennedy Agyapong ni lawyer ye Raf Agyapong wababo nti oba kasa na nsem o kan nyina ni say oh he say omo court of appeal ye Kweku Baako ni honorable ni say omo court for appeal ni ene say court ebu atanya wie yesi Kweku Baako wedding kuninya mo honorable Kennedy 30 days say onko radio stations bi okokasa ye na nsem okoko pacho wo 3 times omo fa omo ho adwen ye ne no asole no akwatena radio station na TV station ne wo kasa to the stand say o fra honorable Kennedy Agyapong say oye empty sansem keke na ye Kweku Baako aka no omo sign the nsem we no omo call for appeal la we ni nsem aba mafo bi so kasa o honorable asem no ntwa so je say ehun hia ani aba wi okọ appeal la ne court wo be di be mama wo so be di fo ama wo ni obeya na wa ye ne tinka honorable ntwa asem no sansem we ba wani to ya say aje say ye ne nana echechi enkomo e wo nana akwa aba
minu aba meje so
bibi abokode
yankopon adom.
And then yeah, about so no say honorable Kennedy Agyapong lawyer ye Raf Agyapong. I was almost see in some Kweku Baako na TV stations radio stations are okay kanfa honorable Kennedy hono he say almost so court of appeal because in some no I say almost ono su defame ni client.
Good. Now first of all, my main fan check say ma etifo nyina. This first of all is one of the biggest news. Personally, and I believe so be our team Ibiano, the person will be pleased whether you are for Kennedy Agyapong or you are for Nas or Kweku Baako. It is good. Now I'm happy Sadi we are back because also share comments near the prelude of events which followed in sequence after this particular court verdict. Now it was not nice at all. In some way by and say me ba obe ha we ni akanokra. Kennedy Agyapong since he can't verdict now once he has not even made any appearance on his own net TV. But and then you will see Kweku Baako on Peace FM. Maybe you and I say you and I'm this kind of Sikana won't say Yanka you know why your home budget? Why your home budget? Then you see him on Good Morning Ghana, Good Evening Ghana. Say Kennedy Agyapong empty. They're going to find him on City News. They're going to find him on Joy FM. That thing now, Kennedy Agyapong wouldn't go pay court. You are doing the same thing. Inti other internal courts, Marco courts now. Court ashes a Kennedy Agyapong. We lose the case. It should pay you your legal fees and pay these damages to you. You are still talking. You don't need to talk. You don't need to talk. And I'm telling you on authority, say the court Supreme Court, the verdict which you come out there, it won't be in favor of Kweku Baako. I'm not being biased. I'm being real here. Yeah, the court Supreme Court, the verdict will be different. The verdict will be different. It's no statement I can say assembly you Kennedy Agyapong will lose. Understatement. A big understatement. A big understatement because he has lost the case. He didn't even make any pronouncement. He didn't even honor any interview. But you're making it seem say Papa no better TV so any radio so can't say be empty. You can't do that. Urging other people to see Kennedy Agyapong. They should take the thing to Supreme Court. Yeah, the Supreme Court this time around Kennedy Agyapong, if he believes say in some or canon woman, he must bring evidences. Evidence not bad, I was say it needs to be tangible enough. It needs to be of something a substance. Send a bear omoko courta. The verdict is see Accra court. It won't be the same thing as the Supreme Court. See, Kennedy Agyapong has done a whole lot of things for Ghana. Usha wo you make case and then wo you unima wo you make case Kennedy Agyapong the buy. And other corruption activities also. Ni pape mu anka Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Baako and Anas, all of them needed to team up
because someone
they are exposing corruption in Ghana. They are exposing corruption in Ghana, but I maintain me one CB na bema se si anomoko against themselves. Ni pape mu anka also mu team up. But say courts ashe say Kennedy Agyapong lose na at the end of the day Kennedy Agyapong Mbambe Kasai, then you are making this pronouncement, then you are being unfair. Into courts near the Akona Supreme Court, no media meaning said the verdict which will come out will be it will not be in something of Kweku Baako because they gave you that chance. I can't apologize here. And I try no kasa, oh, I'm not going to apologize. You started making some pronouncements. Say your friend is saying Kennedy Agyapong one apologize within the 30 days. The person have not even said anything.
Send your court a person na.
The person have not even said anything. And I would the own pick in Japan scout the commercial scanner and buy no why I won't budget that. See, I'm not being biased here. I say once upon a time, and even now I still support Anas. I support Anas in some of his things he do. Into me banner me share adeno at my angle and no just me bias. What I say, yes, and not just me, but for now, no dear, let us be emphatically clear. What Agyapong is doing in regards to pastors expose is the best. Kweku Baako Anas almost more expose or more year on sa corruption. It is also good. They are all fighting for Madagascar, but the case of this need the verdict which will come out from the Supreme Court or the High Court to be different. Now, one time person for Monte and say, if you ask we any the piano bedin kunim.
Yeah.
Ask the lawyers who they are almost some lawyers that they call themselves powerful lawyers. In life, if you deal with 1,000 cases, at least 800 you'll be winning, 200 you'll be losing. If the whole New Japan the whole life are court made 20 times, he losing is not anything because he has won some. What I say, you share even your boxing match, your boxing in your money. There are people who are very good. The Mike Tyson, the Muhammad Ali. Once upon their time, they lost. But then, if you lose in life, staying down there is what will define you. If Agyapong lost this case, not say Nunti on back TV subium on can obiawan semubim obemian then it means this particular verdict has defined him. This particular verdict have defined him. But if he is not going to let this thing define him, now upon all of these things, he's not going to give up and do the good work he's doing for Ghana, then it means a Bema shall say and train away. So this shouldn't even be a yardstick for saying say Ken has lost. Those who are jubilating, say jubilation, it has turned into something else. It has turned into something else. Obika send far when the crowd take that person to court. But if the verdict comes, Mr. Miawano, I won't just say, yeah, Bobo. On a Bobo Park, so be a Chelsea and Liverpool, and I say Manchester United and Man City. Ultimu say at the end of the day, Abia Man City no only by 1 goal to the last minute. Ubon say na Abia Liverpool. Wabeti or tipe. Ubon say ebane sa no mbeko extra time. Omoko extra time. Team na all lose no onu mumba bedding eba be di enim. In life there's nothing impossible. I believe Sabani says so Agyapong he is going to get his facts and things together because maybe he yes maybe he actually underestimated the level of the case. The case we know about a big open hole and a big yardstick for everybody to say Agyapong can't if I'm the court. It shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like that.
Okay.
One thing to also blame Agyapong and say when they meet like beginning the buy and uncle say or yeah for like asem no anko believe say anka verdict ni be kosia anka time am requested for an out of court settlement. They should have done it that way. But if you nim say or call out of court settlement, Kweku Baako come and say he even because more courts are requested for out of court settlement. Kweku Baako never had to say Agyapong or stop out of court settlement. But they are not willing to go with the sense. Into no be kind same way na echenipa no aka say okay. Yeah, out of court settlement. Would you be too just and young verdict about now? But she see an infant Supreme Court, and this is the time Agyapong also digging for any information. It's not about digging to find debt on Kweku Baako, but it's about digging to save your integrity. Also, Mianini, if he believes it, he is right. Because Minjini said in his right senses, no, or back get it up so the court Supreme Court.
Just like that. There's
something else. And if there's anything down there, you should bring it. Now, if Kweku Baako to believe that there's anything on Agyapong, he also should bring it.
Okay, now waiting. Say me, do you think say a sign call me the call appeal? A bay you may be an for say oh, and you could do a foolish case.
Well, any foolish case. A do appeal me. I say my meeting my can say the Supreme Court's verdict. No, the Supreme Court verdict. No, it won't be something which will be in favor of Kweku Baako. I'm not saying this because I'm God. I'm saying this because Miss Nipa and I'm anticipating. But I know I could be wrong. Once I could be wrong, any foolish case, definitely there's going to be a verdict. But the verdict, maybe it won't be what Kweku Baako likes. Because once say Abuabia be war pray. Men can't say Agyapong be war pray. And I mean can't say Kweku Baako be war pray. But as my make an ebe and a mibu. Who the cap fits and I dear a chene fata no on share. What I'm trying to say is that these times are verdict number out. So Agyapong even missed his own TV show. Monday one call a year the C show. Wednesday one call. He refused to speak to any media organization. There was a reason. There was a reason. And all that time, the person is celebrating his or expose pastor. No, you see, I had done it. Yes, hey, we lose court case. No, send a BB to me. All these times he was quiet. Kweku Baako was busily talking. Okay, need that submission. And I told you, say Kweku Baako should be careful. Because there would the year Agyapong the year what pay court.
The same thing
That is it. Agyapong just use some words like Anas case versus Agyapong. Agyapong is saying Anas is evil and corrupt. Agyapong is as no kind Anas na court. Evil and corrupt. Evil and corrupt. Obi catch us evil and corrupt. You can take it as a normal insult.
Also because he's empty.
Good.
Full of lies, you say.
He's empty, he's boisterous. These things comments, no, it doesn't go on well. He should take it on. It's not make catch us the verdict which will come out of the Supreme Court, no, it won't be in favor of him. This I'm not saying it's a chinchina, a opinion and a suggestion. So you can also have a different suggestion. So at the end of the day, need the enquire foolish case, but case no Supreme Court a bit my way. I'm showing you a bit my trimus 10 years. 10 years now, ebi do okana omu ba akokra seb yankopon pengu na ebi mu kra ntiase. So anything can happen, but we are going to have a different turn of event, and this is going to serve because Eban is saying, I yes a Agyapong case is not the be lusu. So he needs to protect his integrity. That is why it's very important, and he too needs to be very careful because I say we of us no show there. Evidence will be able fraud because me what I say. And the last time I can say I'm here. People call me to give me information about pastors. I analyze them before I bring it on. Even when I bring it on the platform, I distance myself from it. Say, me no me support it. I'll just be there, be moderating the show. Nipana can answer. And now say, in some Nipana bano, I'll issue a disclaimer. Say, me ni share. And no cry after my investigation. Me was Nipana some no can ABR. It is of substance. But there are other cases, but I don't even venture because I use my head and I analyze those statements. At the end of the day, almost as some of can na nipa no de be go anima say no kura bi anim. Wo hwe ohun ehi case. You see, nyama ekọ social media, people need to use it to learn. Wo hwe ohun ehi case otini baby next TV. And obi friend say, "Oh, wey obofo sebi ekum nipa." Now evidence a chese obofo ekum nipa. Osan kura kato aso say baby omko sie nipa no. Onim ho. He gave all of this proof and evidence, making it, and at the point in time, he said he was willing to come out and talk. Nipa nye. The person spoke as if say, "Okay, na boy isu nya kukudro." Ekwatina next TV. Ekasa said he has evidences, he has somebody, and all of those things. At the end of the day, yesiu no na okoka say media enya media meeting baby no be the assembly ebreme. Nipa no the assembly brem no nie. Nipa ne ba oni misem okan or say in some kind of bugu and tro. Now after way mum and the born a pa
2 weeks as so other way.
More than 2 weeks, 3 weeks or the Nasako de ban and saying class 2 weeks as well.
Okofi.
Only they may call 1 month. Yet the son of them 2 years. That was why I call people and now Ben Ekasa. They should do something for the boy. But all of them apparently no bias on yet. This should tell him say we are saying no sekwa. I personally call people say boy no. But if they can talk to you about for no case in Saya, no umpia fine because in media space. The people said no. When he comes out, he should be very careful. And another will be on the platform say besides a Juma Ben now ya who see me Juma Masofu Juma. He should learn say the people he works with a 90% fake. You know secret it will be the information brought so when you analyze it because I know when you example no and also we if Agyapong wasn't to be an MP or no so okuta standard uncle them and yes ABI can't go to defamation or them a serious case you shouldn't joke with it a serious case so he has what to be the information but analyze it or when he then go see nipa ne say or when he mum and a boy nipa first say 3,000 cedis afterward this scan you 2 zeros if you so I'm an 30 cedis pa say ko cancel be you and then no ka say nipa no cancel no na ni baby drain ho or when he mum na ne watch it so henceforth Japan should take a clue from it. Anybody will call you to you see nipa pim dowa can who say nipa in pim so the airtime so you need to make sure say any information any phone call that comes analyze the information people can go as far as bringing some evidence at the end of the day it doesn't even correlate to the argument but they'll make it seem such a band signer go away from Kweku Baako new own words are okay Kweku Baako kase emra some of the key witnesses refuse to show up.
Yeah.
One African in Japan so information you say I didn't do that time I
show up.
Yeah, for say be key witness. Neka we no misem no wamba. Sunipa or Sunipa. And this should be a lesson. But I believe say henceforth no King Japan himself has learned obi oba man information be on screening. Because ebimo enye.
It's something in na eno no say honorable Kennedy Japan ni Kweku Baako ni case a mo de copy mo court as court ebu aten na emu no Kweku Baako ewi ni case no asika kra ye de man na ase eje man no se o de charity or the people can we say on he's broke for now but still now here this kind of money now so we try no akwakogina platform bi send the kasa bebre here honorable Kennedy he's empty and some obeka nyina ye ntro nti na so fo a waka some fam wo or expose mu ye fake na de no mongada mo ho this the time amusu betimi de honorable Kennedy Japan akokota honorable ni lawyer Raf Japan ababonte bechem say sem Kweku Baako so de kafa Kennedy hunu say odi femi no nti omo so call for appeal na before I be no wait in sem ayekosu ya uji say hu hia senka omo so be call for appeal because I say say ne udi ye unu anyo de no fa ni obi de yawa enye de no fa enye obi nti ehu hia so mo de be kokota so mu twa asem ne so
information we about first of all verdict ni buyer no ubisa me question me kai pa say wo Ken Japan apologize because people believe say Ken has so much ego like believe in him who say no he can't go that or he can't
obune ho don't mean kolo mo bisa
Intaman for na man for krane wo bi kra na mususu say nti Ken Japan can you go that low to apologize 12 times within 30 days on 3 different platforms and I said a simple answer yes even now na say akosi Japan opinion issue by so Akosie Japan din he came out and came to apologize to Akosie Japan on Net2 TV on Oman FM about 2 different times or 3 different times any news so in the papemunu and kobit maye but this time no they are making it seem say case now we lose no
e see
that now if Ken Japan loses a court case what is wrong with it into this time no he has his integrity to protect because a set example say hey Ken Krako be unsem kwa head na court ako lose any sense say okay na bogus he has his integrity to protect hey bia it was an evidence or a witness gone wrong internal verdict in yes but I'm telling you say the verdict might change Kweku Baako mistake or here in sanko so miana no you see a woman say it didn't say yeah he needs to jubilate but he needs to jubilate in a professional way many wa court why am I the bonny na me wini wa make us oh in some of kapa me ho no nya no kre enum tia na court aka say on be patcho make us oh ye empty oh ye boisterous oh akwa no na mo kan hwe oh ye de ne kokko wa hwe no ay muto no o ka sansem we ya na akwa say wu mom na ogu me hu fi enti ho no Ken Japan the baby no and it was smart of him say for all those times so he didn't come out to, yes
because all about the enemy say onya betena
me put the your man verdict now I was thinking say the next day ko be kasa he never spoke
onya kasa so obeto
oni kufo mini Akufo-Addo mu na koye meet he never spoke even now cry omo MPP said John they will concasai there's something in the pipeline so Ghanaians should watch don't laugh you see he who laughs last laughs best he who laughs last laughs best the jubilation and people are using this as a yardstick to say Ken Japan he say me massa
Kweku Baako na afin so honorable Kennedy Japan MP4 Asin Central mu case nti sia no aye honorable ne fans na afin so Kweku Baako fans no we dia mu nsema asem no ye sign so dey call for appeal nti na edru ho no mo a na say ba ni behu say oh ya san bu eti honorable na say this time around honorable Kennedy we di nkunima na say wasan ye di nchu